Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on OPPO Reno8Z. Alright, so first we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and we need to click on the settings. Now find the chats, scroll down and click on chat backup. Okay. And now, under the Google account, we have the Google account that we are currently logged into. This account is currently selected, which means that on this account, the WhatsApp backup will be saved and stored. So, for example, if you want to restore your backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here, that you have basically selected. Of course, you can click on Add Account to add another one and select it right in here. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we can select the daily, weekly, monthly or unlimited tab backup. That means that, currently I set on the monthly, and that means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to remember about making it manually. So it's pretty convenient and comfortable feature. So if you want, you can pick between one of those modes. We can also enable to include the videos in our backup, and on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you'll create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you lose this password, you won't be able to restore the chats. So if you choose to create it, simply don't forget it. Now, make sure that you have some free Google storage space and hit backup. Now the process will start. Okay, and that's all. Our backup has been successfully made. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.